Hello there, YouTubers. Highway 70 here. Hey, just want a quick update. Want to show you what I have here. I know there's a lot of generator videos out there on YouTube. This is the Duromax Hybrid XP5500EH dual fuel. I'm going to be running mine off of propane because I don't want to mess with, because this is probably sitting more than anything, so I don't want to deal with the gas part of it. I want to show you folks what I did, because I didn't see much on YouTube out there. One of the biggest problems I saw was the draining of the oil on these, that there was not a nice spot. Well, what I did from a company called Drainzit, and I got this off of Amazon, both parts. That is my battery tender I am using. Also for to keep the battery up to date, keep it maintained. I kind of see how I got it hooked up there. There's the fuse, I got it hooked up with the terminals, got it zip tied and everything, and I just got the end coming out there, just like you would on a motorcycle. Drains it, just you take the drain plug out, that plug goes into there, and then when you want to drain it, you just pop that back one and it comes right out. Just thought you guys like to know that. It's like I said, it's part number 1010. So there's a easier way to modify it so you can drain the oil easier on these and also maintain that battery. I'll give a further update as I have not yet started this yet, and I'll let you know how this works out for me. Okay, this is Highway 70 signing off. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.